But it'll say a new version is available for your iPod. You either hit yes or no.
You told me don't even look it up. I used to skate there. Like,
Since Nolan's was here.
That's the one where I said, what if somebody said, can I try the mattress in the bedroom?
Yeah.
In the bathroom.
At first I thought that was awesome.
Ambulance. Probably stopping for some subway.
Some lunch. That's what they were doing. That's not lunch.
Subway. Anything else? Anything else?
How many am I getting?
I want a chicken teriyaki.
So I'm just getting 4.
Ooh, it's cold.
One thing I eat is cookies.
Yeah.
I don't know, I just want like those.
Now, the $5 any foot long, I can do whatever I want to, right? Like, I tell them what I want.
You ask him.
Okay, good for you.
I need 4 subs. 4 footlongs. One's honey oat. One's Monterey cheddar. What do you guys want?
I want grain wheat, whatever's healthy.
Yeah, that stuff.
Yeah.
One honey wheat. What do you want?
Non-grain.
Oh, two honey wheats.
On top of those, so 2 more honey oats.
Yep. Not oats, just a honey wheat.
These are honey oats.
No,
No,
9
honey
grain
wheat.
Non-grain meat.
9 grain wheat.
Daddy.
Sorry, not honey. That's where I'm confused.
What's the honey oat bread?
These 2 right here, the first 2 are chicken bacon ranch toasted with Swiss. Huh? You what I said. Let him do up mine first, and then you'll get to yours. What do you want on
Yeah,
it?
if you have any questions, go ahead.
Like, for the $5 fillers, I can put whatever I want on it, right?
No.
I can't?
Nope. It has to be any of our sandwiches. If you want to get a different sandwich,
It's
it
extra.
depends on like if it's close to one of our sandwiches.
Oh, this isn't even close.
What do you want?
You'll
The
just
pepperoni, cheese, and banana peppers.
pepperoni, cheese, and banana peppers. Are you pointing to this one?
No, I was pointing down there.
Well, then we'll just charge it as a spicy and give you double pepperoni if you want.
There you go. What do you want on yours?
What cheese on
I want a chicken teriyaki.
What cheese
Or
on these?
whatever.
Swiss.
Whatever it is called.
They get double
Teriyaki
cheese,
thing, whatever. Teriyaki chicken. Yeah, that. Let's go with that. That. Sounds pretty good to me.
That's perfect. As long as you toast them.
My hair's all messy. So
They
it's
just
my
get
head out
tricky
there.
down there, that's all.
Hi, welcome to Subway.
Alright, you girls are on down.
What's on the sandwich?
Pepperoni.
Get down there and tell me what you want.
Don't push me. I told you I'm
You want
hyper.
20?
That's
what
fine.
it's coming with.
Yeah.
What cheese?
Do you have yellow cheese?
No, we have American.
American. American. Yeah.
Is it toasted?
Huh?
Did you want to heat it up?
Yes. Yeah.
What's the next sandwich?
Chicken
wants-
teriyaki. Right, Shannon?
Yes, Yeah. sir.
What kind of cheese you want on that?
Us.
And it
Do
was
the banana
toasted, right?
peppers go on after it's toasted?
Yes.
It's up to you.
Oh,
You
then
can
yeah.
have it toasted with it.
Oh, that's fine then. It can go after.
Was this toasted? Teriyaki? What cheese?
Swiss.
Oh, I hate this.
That first one, lettuce and mayonnaise only. That's regular. That's it on that one. The other one is ranch and chipotle, and that's it. Make it nice and easy for you.
Provolone.
Kind of cookie you want to use? Chocolate chip? Yeah.
But they don't have the good.
You want it toasted?
No, thanks.
That's the sandwich.
What's in your sandwich?
You can get it.
Alright, get it 3.
Oh, okay, then I feel.
My name is
What size drink?
Probably just a medium. I might get some cookies
Yeah, I can get by my sub. But you don't need subs.
But you're splitting one with Shannon.
A cookie?
Yeah, because I'm
pepper
splitting one
medium?
with Penny.
Oh, banana
What's
peppers.
bigger than that?
And pickles.
And pickle?
Yeah, so weird,
That'll
baby.
work.
That's the perfect sub.
That's so weird.
That's it.
What would you like on this?
You don't want no
Done?
sauce?
We done?
Huh?
We done this sauce?
Yeah. Oh, sounds good to me.
Weirdo.
That's it?
Woo! Yeah.
You should try some chipotle on it too.
I'm alright.
What would you like in the roast beef?
The best should go.
Good,
What kind do you girls want?
What? Chocolate chip.
mayo.
Hell, I like macadamia
Alright, I'll
nuts.
take
Sure,
3
whatever you
cookies,
want.
too.
Alright.
We're splitting a
I
cookie in
want 1
half.
raspberry
Stop recording
cheesecake
me.
and 2 chocolate chips.
How do you know I'm recording you? Because you're freaking camera happy.
And then salt and pepper.
Camera happy. Quit recording everything. No. I have to record this. This is our trip to Subway. You're crazy. Yeah, no, it's okay. Crazy.
Try this yet?
They really do.
I look probably really weird doing that, but that's okay.
Pizza sub?
I love Cool Ranch. I'm old school.
No. Oh, that's a bad finger. Hi, James. That's what he has to say to you.
$22.79.
No hi?
Alrighty.
Full bread.
Okay. What's wrong? You got a cookie. You got cookie. Oh, guess what we had today in Spanish class?
He's scared.
Fortune cookies. Our teacher passed them out. I don't know
I
why.
love fortune cookies.
She was like, here, fortune cookie. I was like, okay.
You too. Don't work too hard now.
Try not to.
These are all gonna be the same.
Guys, thank you. Yes, you're welcome.
Slam that door in your face.
Deuces. Trip to Subway.